Let me ask this question. You know, Donald Trump's in office right now. 6/26/2017. He was put in on January 20th, and you know, how hard is it to use common sense and put it together? You know that Trump is in there for a reason. Saying Trump, you know, because the Bible says it. I'm 100% convicted of that, and I just feel that. And you know, you're not supposed to lean on your own understanding, but God does give us common sense, and He did give us that. And, you know, a lot of them say, well, we shouldn't use that, but you know, we have that for a reason. And you know, Donald Trump is in there because it's all of a sudden about to change, and you know, I told you, you know, interpreting the weather, you know, is spiritual, you know, circumstances, and so yeah, there's about to be some severe weather in America, and you know, I heard the word tempest. I had 7 dreams back in 2013, and they were all the same thing. You know, 7 dreams about the windstorm and stuff, and I dreamed one about China, dreamed one about Russia, dreamed about Japan, dreamed about North Korea, and I dreamed about Gog, G-O-G, and I dreamt about all of them, and it was pretty crazy. I'm saying stuff's getting ready to happen, and I had that 9/4 dream, you know, a couple weeks ago down at McKinney, and about the Labor Day. Yeah, that was Labor Day, 9/4. Had that one as Labor Day blow away, and so in America, I'd get ready, you know, for stuff to start happening, because I think it's fixing to get real windy, and we fixing to have that 2 Kings 2:1 windstorm. And you know, God doesn't change. I remind that. And you know, I had another dream that was interesting. On 9/11/2016, I dreamed last year that it was talking about America being Babylon, and there was this charcoal dream, and it was called Ole Diz, OLEDIZ, and that was a guy had a cowboy hat on, you know, on it, and it said Ole Diz in black and red, and that was on 9/11 last year, and what it means is like of old, and then America was drunken, you know, dizzy, old Diz, and you know, America was judged in the far, so you get charcoal, and she was cold. Babylon was cold. And there you get it, Ole Diz on 9/11/2016. It was a pretty different dream. You don't see that every day. And then, after I dreamt the Ole Diz, I saw the worst severe thunderstorm. This one was raining, trees were going down everywhere, real windy, and that's indicative of the Babylonian judgment and the windstorm that it's been talking about and all that stuff. And just like this, 9/11/2001, 2 towers went down, is falling. In Babylon, New York, and Fire Island below it. And I'm saying it's pretty common sense, and just seek God, you know, on how to interpret this stuff. And you know, I said as a queen, you know, Babylon said they got Queens, New York up there, and you know, it's pretty plain, and people just don't want to get it. And I'm just saying that hell ain't no fun, and I'm saying heaven was a lot of fun, knowing hell was no fun. And everything the Bible said about hell was literal, so just letting you know, and hope you enjoyed this, and good night.